when I go on my picnic. You see, I don't pick kids to eat or any other animal living. It's just nuts, beans, seeds, fruits, veggies, easy off the tree. We are picking.
Off the grid, deep in the heart of the native land, living alongside with people who carry ancient wisdom, preserving traditions, and experiencing life as it once was. What's up, y'all? Made it to New Mexico. I'm staying in, got what these houses are called, but all natural, made out of everything. This is the inside. It's very warm in here. It's cold outside. It's a nice little cozy spot. This is definitely the stay for a couple days. Nothing too much. Got a couple things back here. Nothing back here. So yeah, we're in the middle of the damn desert, forest, whatever you want to call it. About to relax a little bit. Got some cool things headed you guys' way. Good morning, everybody, from Adobe. Slept pretty good last night. I didn't have to use the fireplace, so that was a good thing. Actually helps when it's kind of cool to sleep. So yeah, literally get up, can't hear, man. There's nothing out here but animals, coyote, wolves. He said there's bears out here, all kind of animals, man. Yeah, we are in the middle of the desert. As we all pack up and head to the city of Taos, New Mexico, it seems like every dirt road, every twist, every turn had something very beautiful to offer. Vietnam took a ride to a little town called Taos, New Mexico. Most of the buildings are still made like, you know, that natural adobe look. It's a cool little statue. Padre Antonio Jose Martinez. It's a lot of history around here though. I've learned a lot. Very interesting so far. We're about to check out a cave, man. It's about to be my first cave experience. They say it's a giant in here. Wow. It's cool down here too. Is it? Man, all these rocks above us, they barely holding on. It'll be a cool spot.
Right? Yeah. I feel like a giant could have lived in this.
Yeah.
It is wild. Probably like
cave. Now, New Mexico. And as we hit the road, I was reminded many times to not disclose where we're going, only do short clips. So this is only out of respect why you will not see many of the roads. Look at these big ass ants. Man, they so big. Got some lizards around here. All kind of things. Hey, what's up, buddy? Got wood for days. That's how we living out here. Good morning. We here again. Today we've been here a couple days now. It's been very interesting. You know, we're learning about how they live up here. No electricity, no toilets. It's pure nature, man. It's, you know, they keep it very traditional. Don't really change up much. I haven't been doing much recording. For one, they don't want the location disclosed. They like to keep a lot of that stuff sacred and not for the public. So that's one reason why I haven't been really recording. Another reason is because, man, when you get here to places like this, you want to actually experience them, you know. I ain't really want to just jump in to recording and, you know, just acting like I'm just here for that, because I am here for the experience itself, you know. So we're gonna be seeing some lakes and some nice views and some things that most people aren't seeing. So it's not even really for the public. So it's a blessing to be plugged in. Angela, her brother, is actually the guy that is hosting us. He built these houses. As you see, he's actually in the process of building like an outhouse, a shower, you know, for his daughter. Come out here and stay. So real traditional, man. They get water from the rivers and the natural springs. Just stay tuned, man. This trip is one of a kind, man. New Mexico. Let's get it. Got me a fire started. About to get ready and make a little lunch. I will be eating chicken with wild rice, man. No refrigerators, no freezers, nothing to keep the food cool or anything. So I grabbed a lot of canned foods to survive. Scared I was gonna start the damn forest fire out here. Very overcasty though. When it rains for like 5 minutes, then it's back hot. Then it get chilly, then it's back hot. You never know what to wear around here. This is the first day I wore shorts, tank top. Rest of the days I had on hoodies, long pants. And since we got some good weather, we decided to take a ride down to the Rio Grande and chill out a little bit. We are in the middle of the canyon, man. It's definitely nice out here. This is the Rio Grande. Super cold. This water is cold, freezing. Super cold. So yeah, this is a dope area. Okay, New Mexico. Checking the vibe list.
Sounds like y'all ain't fucking with my family.
Okay.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I'm rolling up my window.
Oh, watch out, bro.
Be careful, don't get the bed. Don't make eye contact.
What's up, my boy? Oh shit. What's up, my people? And again, there was no running water, no electricity. So of course, I had to use what I could to get a little bath. So normally what you do in places like this, sit in the hammock, kill time, work out, read a book. It's the free life. But still some peace out here, man. If you ain't used to this outdoor living, you will crumble out here. This is Angela's brother built-in home from the ground. He built both of these. This one, the first one only cost him $500. This one only cost him around $2,000 to build.
But she's my twin, so he can't get mad. Jason's literally like him, walking like a Minecraft character. Like he doesn't even walk.
That sounds cool. And here we are again on these dusty beat up roads headed to the Hidden Gorge.
If these land grant families win their court case,
They're gonna have to give them up.
and we can do the same. And it ain't even about being native.
I don't know what this is. It's a big circle, but I don't want to walk through it. But
Natural area.
look at that. That's beautiful. We are headed to the Hidden Gorge. I don't know what that is. Like a little hut or something. All right. Oh man, this is beautiful, y'all. This is beautiful. This is bad.
Our family's been coming to this spot for a long time.
Damn.
This is all Apache pottery that comes from the mountain right here, the clay. There's actually a lot of pottery from different tribes here. I've had to hide it because people find it, they'll steal it. Because this is the only proof that we have that.
That's one by your foot.
Oh, that's a cool rock. This is our family.
This was definitely his way of showing us how he reconnected with his roots. Actually walking down into the gorge, the Hidden Gorge. He says plenty of people that live here doesn't even know about this spot. Right, and y'all get to see it firsthand on the Vernon journey, man. The Vernon journey brought you some shit you ain't never seen.
Wait now.
Used to be waterfalls and everything up through here. This was once the Pawtucket River. Dried up 40 years ago. Got more twisted trees. Energy is very strong. Whoa. Energy is very strong out here. The sacred grounds of her family. It was definitely a hot day, but not too hot to check out the hot springs. Hot springs, and it is hot, so we're gonna see how that working out. All right, now we on the way to the spring. People clicking out down there. So we on this little hike to the hot spring. Nice view. It's a long way down. So I got on these damn Crocs. Oh, okay. But that's in my ass. This is beautiful. This is sweet sage. Smell really good. Alright, so we have made it. There's a couple people over there. And the river right out there.
But yeah, being aware of, you know, I don't know if there's a limit to how imbalanced we can be, you know. I mean, there's a lot of people, including myself, I've met that have gone through a lot of things that are highly and would lose themselves in the process.
Oh yeah,
you know.
That's true.
She's right there.
Yeah.
Not everybody can handle everything. Not everybody's strong enough, you know,
Sometimes
patient
I
enough.
don't know. Yeah, so I don't even know if I'm praising God.
Yeah. I like to praise God in an upward manner, in a more conscious, you know, believe in institutions, you know, because it's too oppressive, you know. I've never agreed with like submitting to an institution.
I want you to sing that song that you just sung while we go for
Okay.
the shower.
When I go on my picnic, you see, I don't pick kids to eat or any other animal living. It's just nuts, beans, seeds, fruits, veggies, easy off the tree. We are picking, not recklessly revealing the submission when we love everyone and everything. Harmony in the living being of God, the mother, father, child within each one of us. Don't have to be so imbalanced, it's toxic. We don't need someone outside them to balance them. Self-sustainable, sustenance, sovereign. Nature realization, nowness, I'm a picnic. You see, I don't pick kids to eat or any other animal living. Nuts, beans, seeds, veggies, pick gently off the tree. Cucumber, melon, watermelon as well. Orange, apple, banana, avocado. We don't need no violence on us. Just the love that we give, receive visions on our picnic.
Hey, that's tight, bro. What's your name, bro?
Mustafa.
Mustafa, bro. Nice to meet you. I'm Ivan, bro.
Ivan?
Yeah.
Tight.
Nice, bro.
Where you from?
South Carolina.
Tight. I'm from New Jersey.
New Jersey. Nice. Yeah, it's dope, though.
I'm thankful family's still here, the ones that are still here.
Yeah.
I did a year in county, and I was thinking I was going to get out and work for my dad plumbing. Like they just legalized in New Jersey a few years ago. My dad passed, my first child was born, and my mom's dad died. Yeah, it's crazy.
Sorry to hear that, bro.
Yeah. We don't need no coffee. Wake up in the hot spring, almost burning naughty. Natty dreadlock coming, easy going jet to every yummy preserving. We don't need no coffee. Wake up in a hot spring.
So I'm guessing your roots is Jamaican.
No.
Where you, nothing. Where you native? What? I don't. You gotta help me out.
You say.
Say it with your chest, little ass nigga.
My staff and ink comfort me through the desert jungling. When we get together perfectly, we can make the best buildings. Lasting through all other calendar ruzzer.
Right.
My dad from Egypt.
Really? That's crazy. We just come from Egypt.
That's what he
That's
meant.
why he was. Okay,
Yeah,
now
we
it
did
makes
just come
sense.
from Egypt. We just
Yeah.
got back.
Oh, I need to get my passport. I haven't been there yet.
What?
Yeah, I know.
bro.
I just been through Babylon, probation. and shit.
Yeah. Understood.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Egypt is definitely.
But
nuts,
Egypt's
bro.
here too. There's a Sphinx in the canyon.
I
You know
heard. We've been to the Grand Canyon, but I ain't get to see all of that though.
If enough people get together, I think we can make it.
Yeah.
With the right intention, you know.
Okay.
Have you read
Shit.
the Emerald Tablets?
I haven't by Billy Carson.
Yeah.
I haven't, but a little bit pieces, you know. But I definitely haven't read it though. You know what I'm saying?
It's
But
saying
I
that
know about that, you know, that connection though with the canyon and Egypt. You know, I definitely heard about it.
I'm sure if we went to the pyramids together, like on a unified, like God living in us level,
Yeah.
we can open shit that they can't.
Bruh.
Open. We can access the ships that have been
That's
sitting there.
energies that's in, yes,
For
bro.
real.
That's the energies that's out there.
It's happening soon.
That which is above is that
It's so
which
below.
Below. Facts, bro.
Yeah.
Facts. Nice.
The pyramid isn't a pyramid. It's like a rhombus. It's
Yeah.
it's an octahedron. It's like
they
this.
found
Facts.
they found deep down.
Yeah, the
much
bottom
more.
part. But man, they found it
They
as
found
soon as
that
we
2
left.
days after we
As
left.
soon as we left,
That's
they found that
crazy.
shit.
What?
Yes, bro. As soon as we left, and that's how I started feeling like, damn, I brought some energy.
But it's
there,
here too,
you
though.
know? Yeah, I know.
The same thing. Like, a part of me wants to go there, but I'm thinking, hey, maybe the
Everything
same thing.
is still here. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Because like right now, Egypt's pretty colonized by Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, facts. What's up, buddy? Pool areas.
Oh, the water's warm right here.
So that was a quick little hot spring session, man. We're gonna get up out of there. It's really crowded. I mean, we got to enjoy what we could, especially with the, I don't know what, the Egyptian dude singing the natural song. You can see it, so many people over there. It's beautiful though. On to the next. Damn. That New Mexico sun beaming. Yeah, if y'all feeling this, man, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, all of that. All right, so now we pulled over. We're about to check out some of these 800-year houses. So this is one of the, how is this? 800-year-old houses built underground. Yeah. That's crazy.
People lived in there?
Yeah, people used to live in this.
How'd they get up?
There used to be a ladder. You used to be able to climb down in it.
Oh, that was part of the ladder.
Yeah, it fell apart. Makes the fire up here and it pulls that warm air down.
That's crazy.
Separated and the piccaries went that way and the Taos went that way.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Make a quick stop at the Santa Fe dispensary. Yeah, man, y'all get a chance. Come check them out. Spot.
The word singing means
Got me a good deal on a quarter, 20 bucks.
services. Some fishes are
Good price. And I got a pre-roll on the house. Y'all check them out. Santa Fe. Chop up.
Fucking shout out Shortler 2025 on Instagram.
Alright, bet.
On YouTube, this is the Vernon Journey. The Vernon Journey.
Love you.
3, 2, 1.
Butter.
That's tough.
Butter.
That shit was hella.
Come on. Clean. All right, Louis. Oh shit, dude.
You got it, buddy.
You got it. Yeah, big dog.
Do you want to count down?
1, 2, send it.
Now this time, we are all headed to one very beautiful spot that probably no one in New Mexico or America has ever been. So we made it. Couldn't disclose where we was going out of respect, but look at this. It's beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. For real?
See that big thing right there, the gray or the
Yeah, right here.
yeah, that's already gone to sea, but this is mullen right here.
Oh,
Yellow.
right here.
Yep.
Wow.
Got the fuzzy leaves. So you dry that out, and then you can put it on the stones and inhale it, or like Dustin was saying, you can breathe it or smoke it. But you got to dry that out.
Yeah. Mullen. Look at this area, y'all. This is crazy. Oh, we're here. This is crazy. Wow. true Indian right there, laid out. This is beautiful. So to see the rest of it, they said we have to go across. It's another part to see, so just give me a second. I think I'm about to strap up and head across.
Oh my God, I can't. This is hurting my bones.
Ooh, that's cold. This water is cold. Oh, wow. Man. Yo, this is crazy. Oh man. Oh man. This is oh, this is definitely worth it. Oh, you made it! Oh. That's dope. Man, so this is one crazy area. This was worth every bit. Oh man, look at this. Oh man, this is crazy. I got you. That's what she was saying.
She was like, there ain't no water.
Man, this is one crazy spot. Yeah, it's good over here on this side, higher. Man, now the hard part. That cold ass water getting back. Man. Oh man, this shit cold right here. All right, let's go. Oh, he got it. He a beast, man. Back surgery in December and you champ. Water trap, this water clear as hell. So what it is, just by the piece of the leaf. Peppermint. Damn.
Well, by the water.
Peppermint, it tastes just like peppermint too. And this is the area that really no one knows about. As you see, we are here on a Sunday, middle of the day. Nobody's here. Only a few of these Indians and community people know about this spot. And it flows down. It's beautiful.
It's just she's just being
So as you can see, nights like this when the family come through, other members of the family, you see, it's about bonding, man. This is love, peace.
Hey ya, wiche wacha sake, veje wache che pelo, veje che wacha sake, veje wache che pelo, veje wache pelo, hey ya, wiche wacha sake.
Man, as this journey has come close, you learn to appreciate nature for what it really is.